So here's how to remove page title on your Shopify store. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your Shopify account, and after that go to your dashboard and then click on the themes option. Once you click on the themes option, now it will open this page. From here you have to simply click on these three dots and then click on the edit code option. Once you click on this edit code option, now it will take you to this interface. Now here you have to simply scroll down and go to the assets option, and once you click on the assets option, now it will open this menu. From here you have to scroll down and go to the base.css. Once you click on it, now it will open this HTML code of the site. Now here you have to simply scroll down and go to the bottom. Then here you have to simply copy and paste the code that I give in the description of the video. Once you have pasted the code here, now you have to simply click on the save change option to save these changes. After that you have to go back to your store and refresh it. As you can see, now your title has been removed. So that's how to remove page title on Shopify.